请第五组 The Culture 人文台科上台准备。那请第六组龙华科技大学升空乐活至第一排预备区等待。
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are glad to be here to introduce our school, National Taiwan University of Science and Technology. Our topic is the culture in NTUST, and we're going to focus on what we eat in our school and the conservation practice in our campus. This is our team. My name is Jiaseng Huang, and the boy is Xuanyu Liu, and the girl is Yiting Lin. Then, let's start our first section. Are you starving? Let's go to the tasty food kingdom of NTUST. Our first stop is the First Students Cafeteria. Here, you can enjoy many dishes of different countries, and you can finish your 3 meals all in one place. For breakfast, you can have hamburgers, sandwiches, Chinese omelette, and milk tea. For lunch and dinner, you can taste Korean food, Italian food, Japanese food, or Taiwanese snacks. As for good food, you should never miss the Healthy Michelin restaurant. Here, you can enjoy your dishes with high fiber and low oil content. And these meals are highly recommended by professional nutritionists. So, if you have enough of fried pork, chicken, or steak, why not come here to enjoy a balanced and refreshed meal? If the First Students Cafeteria can satisfy you, then you should try the Third Students Cafeteria. As you get into it, you may see lots of Indonesian students. Why? As a globalized university, we have the responsibility to satisfy the students' requirements. So, there's a special area for halal food. And halal food is food without pork. If you are a vegetarian, you should never miss 艺术家. We provide seasonal vegetables and fresh fruit. And I believe that you will feel completely refreshed after the meal. If you are in a rush, Moe's Burger is a great choice for you. You can get into it, order your meal, and grab it out. They also provide special sets for students. But the most important of all is that all the foods are 10% off if you have your student ID cards, or you can borrow one. So next time, if you come to our school, call me. I may lend you mine. Last, go to the teacher's cafeteria. It is famous for its juicy roasted drumstick, and it is so delicious that many TV programs have introduced it. Well, How about the second student's cafeteria? Actually, there's no food inside. There's only one copy shop and one stationery store. So remember that. Never get into it when you're hungry, or you'll get nothing but remain your stomach empty. Next part, my partner will introduce the conservation practice in our school.
The second part of our presentation, we would like to introduce the eco-friendly life in our school. The entire school, including faculty members, students, and professors, all practice this idea. Have you heard about Dr. Jung Do? She is a British primatologist and expert on chimpanzees. And she is also an environmental activist who established Roots and Shoots. It's an organization which has planted many trees for saving and caring for the environment. So far, Dr. Jung Do has visited our school 3 times, and she planted 3 trees in our campus. Here are the photos. The visit in 2012, Dr. Jung Do revealed a statue, Love on Earth, carved by Xu Dishan, with fish, birds, and animals on land, all carved in the art piece. Mr. Xu wanted to send a message of living in harmony with all creatures. Now, I will pass it to my partner for further introduction.
Hi everyone, I'm 18, and due to such expression we introduced previously and many activities hosted by school, we now know that protecting the Mother Earth is an important and an honored duty. People sort and recycle any stuff that can be used and reduce the amount of garbage spontaneously. Well, the most awesome thing is that students from design and architect department use recycled materials such as bottles, paper, and cotton threads to create artworks. Well, you can see these artworks aim for the public arts competition and are placed all around in the campus. The competition is usually held at school during March. So if you have free time, please come and enjoy the scene with us. Furthermore, some professors and students even do researches that can cut down the use of electricity power, such as Passive House. It's an energy-saving house model, and well, though it's as tiny as a toy house, that one, and it shows how the device in the house can decrease the use of electricity power and water. And since it can be moved, it has shown up in many places and gone around in like elementary school, junior high, and senior high school. Well, through holding exhibits and teaching students how to work, we hope that the concept can spread to every corner and make people realize the importance of conservation. The practice of this idea will go on and on, because that is what we, the students in National Taiwan University of Science and Technology, are proud of. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.
谢谢第5组的简报。